number 3 with the ball. Pass to the man at the corner for 3. No good. Rebound. Rebound by number 20 and a good putback. First 2 or 3 points. Cañete. Pass to Anak ni Mio. Anak ni Mio with a good jumper. Pass to Anak ni Mio. Anak ni Mio with a good jumper. For 3. Beyond the arc by number 23. Cañete. Tries the jumper, no good. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Number rebound. UNBC number 23 goes for the drive and one chance for a 3-point play by number 2 of Cags. Number 20 Sungahid with a jumper. Good shot. Intercepted by number 3 of UNBC. Number 20 tries a layup, no good. Rebound by number 23 and a good jumper. Raboy. Number 20 gets fouled. And a jumper chance for a 3-point. Cañete with the ball. Deep 3. Pass to number 30 to number 14. No good. Baseline jumper. Good baseline jumper by game ball.
8 seconds to shoot.
Baseline jumper, good shot.
2 points.
For 3, no good. Rebound. Rebound by UNBC number 12. Pass to the man at the baseline. Goes for the drive and a jumper. Good shot. Down by Romeo. Romeo with the ball. Romeo tries to do a layup, no good. Good rebound, number 9, and a good putback. Three, UNBC 41. Raboy for 3, no good. Rebound by number 5 of Cags. To Wenceslao. Good layup. Wenceslao lost the ball. Stolen. Stolen by Cañete. Cañete drives. Pass. Nice pass to number 5, and number 5 with a good. Romeo to Soliano, open for 3, no good. Rebound by Cañete, puts it back. Good shot. In the gap to 3, 44. Cags 44, 47. UNBC intercepted by number 5. Nice pass to Cañete and a good layup. Number 29. Good cut. Good layup. Cañete with a good. Good jumper by UNBC. Nice pass and a good jumper. UNB jumper by number 20 Sungahid. Number 5 goes for the drive and a layup. Good shot. Layup no good. Rebound. Good rebound. Virame with the ball. To Abanyo. Abanyo drives. Floater. Good shot by Abanyo. Intercepted by number 5 of Gags. Spin move. Jumper no good. Rebound. Oh good. A good putback.